Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create Discord account 2025. We must go to the link that we leave you in the video description. There, we click on Login. Then click on the line Register. In this window, enter the email to register, username, desired password, and date of birth to validate identity. When completed, click on Continue, and it will be necessary to complete the CAPTCHA to validate that you are a person. When finished, you will have access to Discord with the account you have created. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.